Hello, so it's going to be another comparison test video. So let's pretty much get straight to it. I have a little message at the end of this video, so make sure you check that out. Yes. So anyway, let's get to it. Today we're going to be comparing the Nexus 10 iPad 4th Gen, Galaxy Note 10.1 and Kindle Fire HD 8.9. Now, I'm going to name them as 10, 4, 1 and 8. Actually, I'll just say it all. Okay, OS, we all know. Nexus 10 got 4.2. Jelly Bean. Galaxy Note 10.1 has Jelly, ice cream sandwich, and so does Kindle Fire HD, and iOS 6.0 for iPad. Now the screen, Nexus 10 tops out with a 2560 by 1600. iPad 4th generation, so 2048 by 1536. Galaxy Note has 1280 by 800, and Kindle Fire has 1920 by 1080. Now the processors, the Nexus 10 has 1.7 GHz Exynos 5 Dual 5250. It's the same one in the Chromebook, I believe. iPad 4th gen has a dual core. It's unknown, 1.3 GHz A6X. Galaxy Note has 1.4 GHz Exynos 4 quad core. And the Kindle Fire has dual core 1.5 GHz TIO map 4470. Now, the Galaxy Note 10.1 and Nexus 10 both have 2 gigs of RAM, and iPad and the Kindle Fire have 1, unfortunately. Now they all carry 1632, but the iPad carries 64, and Galaxy Note has a micro SD, so the Kindle Fire has an X64. Ports, we've got micro USB, micro SD, all that jazz. Front camera, Galaxy Note and the Nexus 10 both have a 1.2 megapixel. iPad 4th is unknown, but they say it's 1.2, and Kindle Fire is HD, which is crap. Rear camera, they all have 5 megapixels except Kindle Fire, which has none, which is a bit odd. Probably make it cheaper or something. Cellular radio, we're going to that. They all have 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi. Bluetooth all 4.0. Nexus 10 and Kindle Fire all unconfirmed. All have accelerometer. All have gyroscope. Nexus 10 has 9,000 milliamps battery. iPad has 10 hours, 7,000 milliamps for Galaxy Note, and NA for Kindle Fire. The lightest device would have to be the Nexus 10 and Galaxy Note. See, these two seem very similar. Very similar. Galaxy Note and the Nexus. They pretty much weigh about the same too. Now the cheapest out of them all would have to be the Kindle Fire, which I don't think anyone really has. Well, I think that's Amazon. Amazon don't ship to Australia. Well, they do, but not a lot of things. So I really can't get that one. Yeah, $399 for the base model of Nexus 10, $499 for the iPad 4th generation, $499 for Galaxy Note 10.1, all 16 gig and Wi-Fi. Now, the availability, Nexus 10 is available November 13th, iPad is available, iPad 4th gen, November 2nd, which is in 3 days. Galaxy Note 10.1 is available now, and Kindle Fire is available November 20th. Now, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the message about to be played. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. My heart goes out to all those who have lost their life due to Hurricane Sandy on the east coast of America. My heart and soul go out to those families and friends affected. Rest in peace.